Hello everyone, welcome you all to PPT e-Pathshala. Let's make this amazing slide today. First, insert a hollow circle. Change its dimensions. Reduce its inner space by holding this small yellow point. Now insert a circle. Make it no outline, and change its color to white. Then change the color of the outer shape. Now select the small circle and go to Shadow section, and put the center outer effect, and make the following settings shown on the screen. Then again go to Shapes and insert a block arc. Make its size little bit bigger than the existing shape. You can check the dimensions that I set for it. And then align it in center and middle. Now reduce its width with the help of this small yellow point. And change its color according to your choice. Now fill the middle shape with an image. I have already copied an image, so I use clipboard, but you can also insert an image from here. Then go to Insert tab, and insert icons of your choice. And change its color to black. Align them like shown on the screen. Let's adjust the shape that will highlight our icons and rotate it. Now select all elements and shift it to the left corner. Then insert your content. Now duplicate slide. Change the image of middle circle. To fit it perfectly, go to Crop option and select Fill option. Then rotate this highlighter to another point. And change the content. Repeat the same procedure, and make as many slides as you want. Rotate the highlighting point. Change the image that related to your content. And change the content. Then select all slides. Go to Transition tab, and apply Morph Transition. And also don't forget to resume the duration to 1 second. Subscribe our channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you.